Hi there. So we were flying at a nature preserve here over by Lake Butamore, and we were getting some shots over the water looking at 441. It's actually a nice day out today. Good day for flying a drone. Clear pictures, sun is out, no clouds. Holy glare, Batman. Okay, there we go. We got some video feed. I'll get some pictures of us. But today we're flying drones and shooting bows. So that's the objective today. Track your prey and then kill it. Alright, initiating landing. I have one more spot I think we can go and try. I want to go by the high school. And there's a large open field there. Although I like the field across from our house now. So it's landing itself right now. I'm not doing anything. Let's see if I can go to right where it was. What, right about here? It was? So I don't know. Usually it's off by about 5 feet. I don't know really how it does it. It uses sensors on the bottom. Because right now it's really far off. Like it's 15 feet off. And it's gonna land on a rock. So maybe I'll just do it for it.